How to get bots on Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can get bots on Discord. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have a Discord server and then you want to add bots into it, it's very simple to do so. Open up Discord browser or from your app and just make sure you're on your service page, right? And this is one of my servers here. After that, what I need to do is I need to open a new web browser. I just need to go to top.gg, which is one of the most fantastic ways to add bots to your Discord server. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Go to top.gg and then you're going to see this type of interface where you can simply explore millions of Discord bots and servers, and here are many of the bots as you can find over here. Depending upon what kind of bots that you want to simply make sure to go to that bot page over here, and then you'll be able to see all this sorts of information. What you need to do is you have to invite this bot into your Discord server. So make sure to click the invite option that you can find here. Once you make sure to click on the invite option, here you can see image generation AI and all this bot and so on. And I just need to select a server on which you want to add. So make sure to select the correct server here and then make sure to click on continue. After you've done that, make sure to give it all the permissions it requires to make sure it doesn't run with any errors, and then make sure to click on authorize button. Once you click on authorize, make sure to verify this captcha whether you're a human or not. And after this is done, this AI generator or this bot will get successfully added to your Discord server, and to activate it you just have to follow some of its instructions as you would be able to find it here. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and actually add bots to your Discord server. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.